Hacker7 here. So you know I like to keep you up to date with everything that is happening, and I am here to tell you about the Truth Social application, which will be, well, from the video's title and thumbnail, I'm guessing that you're here because you heard that Truth Social will be available for Android. However, it is currently not available. So if you should go on the Google Play Store and search, you will realize that the Truth Social is not available. However, if you should go to your browser and you should search, you could basically see articles. Now, for example, this one says that Donald Trump and the CEOs of the application are basically negotiating the terms of the release date for the Truth Social application. So this will basically be available for Android within, let's say, coming weeks. And as you know, Donald Trump wants everyone to be on the same level, so he will release this application. So it will be available for users worldwide. So that is basically a little update as to the Truth Social application. Now, this is basically a website which you could follow to get the step-by-step guide to download for iOS and Android. When this application becomes available, you'll be able to download from the Google Play Store. Now, for iOS, you could simply download from the App Store and have this running on your device. And once this launches on Android, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to do all of the necessary steps in getting acquainted with this application. So please stay tuned for that. That is basically it for this video. Just a quick update as to the Truth Social application by Donald Trump. Just to keep you posted. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy these videos or any videos to basically be a part of what is happening in the world currently, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment on this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker777 out.